I'll be showing you today how to connect your dashcam via Wi-Fi using the Android Galaxy S20. So first of all, we'll open the Thinkware Cloud app. And once you're in the app, it'll say not connected or it'll say dashcam connection is required. We'll click there and we'll click on connect via Wi-Fi. So first of all, we'll have to activate the Wi-Fi. To do so, we'll press the Wi-Fi button on the dashcam.
On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
You can see the green light flashing, which means that the dashcam is giving out the Wi-Fi signal, so we can press next. So our next step is connecting to the Thinkware network. To do so, we'll go on our Wi-Fi settings. And we'll look for the Thinkware network. We'll click there to connect. Our default password is 1234567889. Once you're connected to the Thinkware network, you may get this pop-up saying internet may not be available. Please make sure that you click on keep Wi-Fi connection. Once that's connected, we can go back on the app.
Connected to a smartphone.
Once we're back in the app, you'll hear the dashcam announcing connected to a smartphone, and you can see that the Wi-Fi light is now a solid green. And you have access to the file list, to the dashcam settings, and all the other app features, including the live view, which will help you when mounting the dashcam to the windshield with the red light, with the green light, and the blue light to center the dashcam. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, my name is Bruno from Thinkware Customer Support, and today I'll be showing you how to connect your dashcam via Hotspot using the Android Galaxy S20. So first of all, we'll have to go on your Hotspot settings on your smartphone. And first of all, we'll write down this Hotspot password. In our case, it's Thinkware123. Make sure you write it down or memorize this password. Once that's done, we'll open the Thinkware Cloud app. Once you're in the app, you'll see it says not connected, or it'll say dashcam connection is required. We'll click here and we'll click on connect with another device. From this list, we'll select your dashcam model. In our case, it's the U1000. The next step, we'll click on connect via Hotspot. And first connection with the dashcam, we'll select yes, it is. So first, we'll have to activate the Wi-Fi by pressing the Wi-Fi button on the dashcam.
On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
Once you hear this message, you'll see that the Wi-Fi light is flashing green, so it means the dashcam is giving out the Wi-Fi signal, so we can press next. Once we hit next, our next step is to connect to the Thinkware network, so we'll go on Wi-Fi settings. Look for the Thinkware network in your Wi-Fi. Our default password is 1234567889. Once you're connected to the Thinkware Wi-Fi, you may get this pop-up saying internet may not be available. Please make sure you click on keep Wi-Fi connection. And once that's done, we can go back on the app.
To a smartphone.
And now we'll be on this page where it asks you to add a mobile hotspot to the dashcam. So we'll have to input our SSID and our password. Our SSID will be S20. And our password is Thinkware123. Once that's done, we want to press next.
Disconnected from a smartphone. The device will find a Wi-Fi hotspot. Turn on your personal hotspot.
Once you hear this message, click on Turn on Hotspot. Make sure your hotspot is on and wait on this screen until the dashcam is connected to it.
Connected to the internet.
Once you hear this message, we can go back on the app.
Connected to a smartphone.
And you can see that we're now connected via hotspot, and we have access to all the features in the app, including all the cloud features as well. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.